It will show you that Otti really embrace what they call democracy and love democracy.
Okay, alexotti has come out to say that the killings of indigenous of Abia and the killings in the southeast must stop now. That any of the Fulanis caught, killing indigenous, wherever location, whether on their farmland or in various home, will be strictly dealt with. Do you not think at least alexotti is going the right way? Because you see the killings in the southeast, the insecurity in the south is getting, terrible. So do you not think it's going in the right direction?
Mr. Parademi Okokonje, I'm thanking God well. I'm praising God because now is alexotti of Abia State giving this order. Had he been the Simon Ekpa, bring him to kill. He don't want the coexistence of Nigerians. He don't want this to be. He's instigating violence. He don't want the free movement of innocent people in Nigeria. Kill Simon Ekpa. Now is Nigeria elected governor in Abia State who have good reasoning, who have feelings, who is not like other governors in the then biafra land. He come out and speak out that the Fulani should stop killing in Abia State. At least this will prove to you or to the whole world that alexotti is a man to reckon with it. He's a man who fears God, who has fear of God. He's a man who regards the human being than animal. He's a man that the people have chosen, and he's a right man for the people. It will show you that alexotti really embrace what they call democracy and love democracy. You see, on the election day, they want to rig him out. But the returning officer of Igbo'S State, I think, which came from Abia State, which came from Igbo'S State, that woman came out and speak up and play that he cannot go against her consciousness as a mother, as a grandmother, and a child of God. She will stand on the truth. And she said that it was alexotti that won the election. And they do everything to remove him. And they said no. Because God wants to rebuild Abia State. God wants peace to reign in Abia State. That's why he give them person like alexotti. But alexotti should remember what he's doing now. What exactly what he had did in Imo State. And they remove him through Supreme Court and to store that devil now, devil incarnate, in the name of Uzodinma. See what he's doing in Imo State. But now it's too difficult for them to use Supreme Court or any other means to remove alexotti because he's not carrying the wishes or will of Fulani government of Nigeria. You see, this is why the killing in 30th May of this year, sit at home to honor the Biafra fallen heroes, turn to bloody thing in Abia State. This is what people are suspecting, whether it's planned adventure to frustrate alexotti, not to carry out assignment like this to stop Fulani herdsmen killing and amending, killing and raping, killing and stealing, killing and destruction in Abia State. You understand? To show you that alexotti was out to bring justice against these terrorist people in Abia State. First of all, he demolished Lord Manta. He's not demolished that he's taking Fulani away from Abia State, but he's demolishing it to make it a daily market. You rent shop, you pay for the shop, you pay for tax or levies that the government will impose on the people are doing business and the shops in that area. And in the evening, you close your shop and go back to your rented house or where you build, you are staying. Not that you come to the shop, to the market, market is your house, Market is your maternity. Market is your toilet. Market is your home. Market is your ancestral land. Market is where you commit crimes in the name of animal market or cattle market. Probably we live there. They don't pay tax. They don't contribute anything for the place they are in. They don't contribute any development in that area. They don't pay house rent, and they be killing there. They be there killing, raping, stealing, kidnapping. This is why alexotti said no. Let me put it in a modern way, so that we'll be free to stay. And they said no. They went to court to stop it. This is why they were trying to destabilize Abia State, and the God will not allow them to succeed. And as alexotti said, you will see there will be trap setting now here and there by Fulani government. You may start using the indigenous people of Abia State, even the reps and the senators of Abia State, even the ex-governors of Abia State, even the opposition political parties in Abia State to destabilize Labour governor in Abia State. Look at it, Labour governor, and then alexotti is laboring hard to make Abia State to be right, to be good. You understand it? They may be trying to cause one chaos or mayhem now to frustrate alexotti or to find him fault to frustrate alexotti. Thank God, alexotti haven't held any public office in Nigeria before he became a governor. And he's a millionaire. He was a millionaire. And he wanted to be a millionaire. He was a millionaire before being a governor in Abia State. So there's no way Nigerian government or his enemies will use FCC to indict him for any money laundering. There's no way they can see him playing any corrupt act before he become a governor. He was living fine, have companies abroad, have people he trained, have people he helped. Therefore, there's no way they can indict him in anything corruption.
I mean, someone that is okay.
His life is okay. Alexotti did not come to that place to eat money.
Came to work.
Or to have food to eat. He's eating before. He has money before. He's a billionaire before. He came to be a governor of Abia State. And he continued to be a billionaire because he has laid the foundation to be a billionaire and for his children to be billionaire. Therefore, what is going to look in the government house? Like his predecessor that map out $10 billion. I mean 10 billion naira for airport that is not existing. And where is that 10 billion naira? Nowhere to find, no airport to see. You understand? It's not like that. Therefore, you have to stand up and fight for Abia State. For Abia State to have to enjoy for voting him in. You want to pay Abia State good thing, good for voting him in. And Abia State will receive that good in Jesus' name. If we can be able to stop herdsmen killing in Abia State, that's #1 priority of every governor to do in Biafra land. And I think other governors will emulate him. Peter Mbah of Enugu State supposed to see this one and emulate him, not to acquire land, assign land to Fulani herdsmen, as Otti did in 1999. He was governor of Abia State. Peter Mbah of Enugu State should look what happened in Lord Panther in Abia State to know the land he want to offer to Fulani herdsmen in Enugu State, how it will be. Who's a good man? Close neighboring states to Abia State should look what alexotti is doing, both building and stopping Fulani herdsmen not to kill in Imo State, in Abia State. You should look at it and know that he is the child of devil. Who's a is a child of devil in Imo State. No, judge himself what he's doing in Imo State. So Ludo should look at alexotti, what he did in Anambra State. I mean, what he did in Abia State, to compare his activities in Anambra State. Whether he passed or whether he failed, he should judge himself. The only person I think that is trying to come up is this current governor of Igbo'S State. Because since he entered, he disbanded Igbo'S, and there was a little peace and calm in Igbo'S State, not like before. At the time of development, I haven't followed him fully to observe how he was ruling Igbo'S State. But the little one I had, they say Igbo'S State is more calm, more developing than the time of that devil, Umai, when he was there, constituting Igbo'S and killing the people of Igbo'S State. Now, all the whole Biafran governors, Nigerian governors in Biafra land, whether you call them South, whether you call them Southeast, should emulate alexotti. God has bring him up as a mirror. They should look and judge themselves, all the whole governors in Biafra land. Thank you.
But do you not think the approach Peter Mbah is using,
He said,
the approach Peter Mbah is using, do you not think the approach of by giving lands to Fulani, do you think he's trying to, you know, I'll not say he's scared of them, but do you think he's maybe just trying to not to increase the tension in Enugu State by, you know, giving land?
No. He's making things worse in Enugu State. He's making things worse in Enugu State. Okay, that land he issued to them, the indigenous of that land that occupy it, where do you want them to go? The indigenous, Biafra indigenous occupying that land, and you got assigned it to them. Where do you want them to go? Where do you want them to live? Where will be their farmland? Or do you want to create another IDP camp in Enugu State? Do you think that Fulani will go there? It will be easy for those people to live. They must surely be kill me, I kill you. And the Fulani will overpowered. Because immediately the indigenous resistance, army will come, police will come and support Fulani to wipe them off. For them not to wipe off, they will run and go and look where they will have IDP camp in Enugu State again. So Peter Mbah is not doing anything good in Enugu State. Rather, it's causing destruction, looting, kidnapping, raping, wanting in Enugu State. And remember, Peter Mbah wasn't the one who won election in Enugu State. It was Labour Party won the election. But due to the kangaroo of Fulani government of Nigeria, in court judgment and everything, they give it to him. Therefore, he have to do everything to pay Fulani government of Nigeria back for what they have done to him. By destroying Enugu State and handing over to Fulani. Take broom, sweep Jonathan, Igbo man, off from Aso Rock. That time they don't see that Lumbu is bad person. They don't remember call Igbo'S that time, but they come against Igbo'S. Now,
the northern elders now has come out to beg the Igbo'S allies that together they can oil Tinubu 2027 because they feel betrayed, that Tinubu has betrayed them. You know, after working and voting for Tinubu for they just concluded 2023 election. Do you think that the Igbo'S want to work with the northern elders come 2027?
Oh well, I will start with my eye, Mr. Paradeni Otokon them. We start to comment analyzing this issue raised now by asking northerners that is it now that they know that Tinubu is not good? Is it now that they know that Tinubu is not capable to rule Nigeria? When their own brother Buhari failed in 2011 election to Jonathan, when he said he will not contest an election again, that his time for to rule Nigeria have gone, he started crying. And Tinubu came out and go and bring Buhari out. And they went into alliance, ANPP and ACN of Nigeria come together and form alliance and become APC. Another Northern People Congress. Tinubu stand as Akintola. Buhari stand as Tafawa Balewa. They march together and take broom, sweep Jonathan, Igbo man, off from Aso Rock. That time they don't see that Tinubu is bad person. They don't remember call Igbo'S that time, but they come against Igbo'S. Now Tinubu have entered, so they want to pay Tinubu back with evil for good they have done to them. They want to pay him back to evil by saying they want to remove Tinubu. If they remove Tinubu, who will take over? Is it not the same from the government of Nigeria, Shetima? If they remove Tinubu, now they are calling Igbo people, Easterners, Biafrans, whom they reject in 2015 election, whom they reject in 2023 election, and put Buhari, put Tinubu there. Is it an Igbo man, INEC chairman, who rig the election for APC and Tinubu in 2023? Is it Igbo man, Mahadu Yankubu or Muhammad Yakubu? Is it Igbo man? P2B, Igbo man. Although Okoko did not support Igbo man to be there because we are Biafrans. But directly or indirectly, I support Tinubu because he's a Nigerian. I said no to P2B and any Igbo man because they are Biafrans. You cannot be Biafran and rule Nigeria. That's where I stand. Now, still, P2B move ahead and contest, deny his identity as Biafra man and contest for Nigeria. And he won as a Nigerian. And the INEC, led by Yankubu, robbed him that result and give him to Tinubu, a Nigerian man. Do Northerners cry against it? That is bad. Now, when they feel Tinubu government did not favor them, when they feel that Tinubu government is delaying their conquest over Nigerians, when they feel that Tinubu appointment is satellite to his own country people, tribal men, now they say Igbo should come, join hand with them against Tinubu. God forbid. Anyway, unless Igbo may join hand, because their own is anywhere money come, they follow. They don't care whether it will kill them at last or save them at last. They don't care. But I don't see any average reasonable Igbo man. When it's south, when it's southeast, we join hand with North now against Tinubu. No. I don't see any reasonable Igbo man. No, I don't see it. I don't see it. So, North and the West have been moving together. Even through the Civil War, they fought together against Biafra. They shared the lootings of the Civil War for themselves. Railway from West here to Abuja, to Kaduna, to Katsina, to Sokoto, to Niger. Which one they build from Lagos to Akwa Ibom? From Rivers to Benue. Which one they build?